Hey YouTube, I'm going to try to teach you this song Maestranza. A lot of what's going on is we have an E minor. I'm playing an E minor 7 here, and then it goes to F sharp to G. A D and the E, but a lot of the song is just going this movement between E minor and G. Okay, and the E minor and G are related chords. It's E minor is the relative minor of G. And this song is in the key of G. Most of it. All right. So it starts out on E minor 7. Mostly playing, I think, the higher strings. Monday night, loud in the road outside. I saw the gig coming down, smoke on the ground, South Hill. Goes to E major at the end. Then goes these last days. Come and control my fate. No one's holding the whip, and the oil won't stick, but I will. That's pretty much the verse structure. So what do we have there? We have so we're going from E minor 7 to F sharp minor, G. Now these next part, I kind of think of it in pairs. We have G minor, F sharp, that's one pair, F sharp, E minor, and then we have D major to E major. So it kind of breaks out of the key a little bit with that E major, but that's probably what makes it sound cool. So maybe 3 measures on the E minor, 3 on the F sharp, and then half measure, half measure, half half. You just gotta get a feel for the rhythm. But again, that is the chord progression. Alright, kind of goes in order. Okay, let's cover the next part. I guess we could call this is the chorus. The next part, we can call it section 2, or we can call it the chorus, whatever you want. Starts in G, and this instead, more heavily relies on the G instead of the E minor. Now that the light is on, now that the water runs, and the hotness are nearly gone. No time to get it wrong. Alright, so let's go over that. We start on the G. Now that the light is gone, now that the water runs. So it's both of those are G to G, F sharp minor. So we go G to F sharp minor twice. And then we go back up to the G again. And the hotness are nearly gone. There it goes, G, F sharp minor, G. You have 3 chords in that line, or that next part. In the heartless are nearly gone. No time to get it wrong. The last line, we're playing G, F sharp, E major. Okay, so a lot of G to F sharp in that part. All right, goes back to the first section. Then it only does one verse of that though, and then it goes into section 2, which I called the chorus. All right, so we had that. There's nothing new. We repeat section 1, that chord progression, and then right after that we repeat the chorus, or the section 2. And then after they do that, it goes to a new section, which is like some kind of crazy bridge. And I only understand this really because I watched a video by I think his name is Robert. So he has a video. I'll put a link to it, and he kind of explained what's going on in this. He was kind enough to call out the chords. So the first part is remember, we're going to G. So the first part is. That's the first part. B minor, F sharp, minor, G. B minor, F sharp, G. That's the first part. Then E minor, B minor, F sharp, B minor, G. So really, both phrases, both musical phrases in this, I would say there's 2 musical phrases, and they're both going from B minor to G. And he talks about this in the singer and songwriter talks about this in a lesson he did. I'll put a link in the description. So we're basically going from B minor to G there, and we go to F sharp minor along the way. Now this next that's the first musical phrase. This next musical phrase is a little longer. It goes E minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, G. So again, it starts on the E minor, that's the lowest chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. Remember, we're going to G. The whole time we're gonna head to G. Phrases. B minor, F sharp minor, G. Second musical phrase is E minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, G. It's due. All right, now then comes this second part. That wasn't complicated enough for you. The second part is he kind of breaks it down by using. He says semitones, but what that actually means on the guitar is each fret is one semitone. So we're going from B minor to G. Okay, and then we go up 3, and we go almost like we're going B minor to G, except now it's in a different key. And you keep doing that, and eventually you'll come up to the octave, and you'll be right back in B minor G. I'll do. Right, so it's B minor, on the 2nd fret to G on the 3rd fret. Then you go up 3 steps and you go to B minor, except that right now it's a it is a E flat minor, and then this is a B, and we're on fret 6, 7. Okay, then we go up to fret 10 because that's 3 above 7. Then we go to fret 11 next. And we go up 3 frets. But if you go up, you're going to the B. So after you go 10, 11, then you go back here to a B minor, and that's how it gets back to the G. So it goes I do. We're on the 3, so we're going to go up to 6. I do. We're on the 10 now. We're going to go up to, no, I'm sorry, we're on the 7 now, so we're going to go up to 10. I do. 10, and now we're on the 11, so we're going to go back to the B minor next. And that's the final part of the song. The rest is just a repeat of the first sections that I showed you. All right, so if that doesn't make sense to you, try to get into that number thing, because that's really how he explained it. He's saying like it's modulating through different keys until it goes to the next octave, and then it modulates back into G. So B, G, A, B. B is the 3rd. So we're going 3rd to the 1st. 3rd to the 1st. 3rd to the 1st. 3rd to the 1st. That's what's going. It's cycling through intervals of the 3rd. All right. So hopefully that helps. I'll put a link in that video. You gotta see this guy. He's like like a musical genius. All right. All right. Have fun. Bye.